Assalamualaikum dear students of class 8. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College Naushara Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, we have completed chapter number 1 and today we are going to solve the activity pages of chapter number 1. So dear students, first of all on book page number 8 activity pages exercise A is fill in the blanks. So dear students, number 1 is date. According to the rules of binary addition, 1 plus 1 are equal to 10. According to the rules, number 2, according to the rules of binary addition, binary subtraction, 10 minus 1 equal to 1. Three number decimal numbers can be converted into octal numbers by using dash method. Dear students, decimal numbers can be converted into octal numbers by using the repeated division method. Repeated division method. Number 4th one is hexadecimal values can be converted into dash numbers by using the expansion method. Hexadecimal values can be converted into dash. In the dash, the word will be decimal number system. Dear students, here dash is decimal numbers. Number 5th one is in the hexadecimal system 14 is represented by the dash letter. 14 are represented as by E letter. Dear students, these are the fill in the blanks that we have completed. Now we are going to solve another activity that is based on the state whether following statements are true or false. Number 1 is in binary addition 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 0. 1 plus in binary addition 1 plus 0 is equal to 10. This statement is known as false. Dear student, this is false statement. State number 2 is the repeated division method is used to convert decimal number system into octal equivalents. Repeated division method is used to convert decimal numbers into octal equivalents. Dear students, as you know that whenever we are going to convert large numbers into small numbers, there is a specific method used. That method is known as repeated division method. Here, this statement is known as true statement. Number 3rd one is hexadecimal equivalents of 50 is 36. This statement is false because when we will read the table of 16 to the 50, there the answer will be 32. Here is written 36. So the statement is considered as the false statement. So we will write false statement. Number 3rd statement. Now dear student, we are going to solve 4th number, that is octal numbers are converted into decimal numbers by the expansion method. Dear students, you know that whenever the small value is given to us to convert into the large number system, so therefore we use the expansion method to convert small numbers into large number systems in which the multiplication takes place. So dear students, this statement is also known as true statement. Fifth one is octal equivalent of 100 is 64. Dear students, first of all, whenever octal equivalent is given to us, whenever decimal number system is given to us and we are said to convert it into octal number system, so decimal number system is large number system while the octal number system is small number system. So we are using the repeated division method. So dear students, here we are going to convert this equation, that is 100, here 100 are, dear student, 100 are the large number of decimal number system and we have to convert it into octal number system. So we will divide 100 with 8 and we will read the table of 8 to the 100. So dear student, here there is 1 and 0, both numbers become 10 and we will read table 8 to 10, 1 into 8, 8, one time table 8 is used here. When we will subtract 8 from 10, the quotient will be 2 and we will give 2 to the 0, the total sum will be 20 and we will second time read table of 8 to 20, 2 into 8, 16 and we will subtract 16 from 20, the answer will be 4. Here we will second time use table 8, 1 into 8, 8 quotient is 4. So dear student, the octal of 100 decimal number system is known as 144. 144 and in book page number is known as